Hello Year 11, it's Mr Leonard and Mrs Armstrong here to report to you regarding the successes of half term 1, and we're looking at Lesson Monitor. We've been challenging students to go above and beyond in lessons to demonstrate an outstanding attitude to learning at all times. By doing this, you receive a 1 on your report. So therefore, we have a number of winners who've done this. They've either got 50 or more 1s in half term 1. They are.
I'm really pleased to say that they are Ben Algie, Tanzim Takir, Kaylee James, Sasha Kempster, Lily Mae Muir, Abby Wilson, Jack Blair, Aisha Butt, Abby Kernane, Jess Dory, Leo Hughes, Harvey Jones-Fasakali, Natasha Littler, Sophie Moa, Bailey McDermott, Sophia Littler, Dylan Roberts, Ellie Jones and Aisha Mia. Congratulations, well done.
So that's a big achievement, and particularly as Year 11 are being challenged additionally in terms of the lesson before school and obviously the period 6. So thank you for everything that you're doing. We know it's tough, but we recognise those that go above and beyond to be outstanding at all times. On the wall you will see that we've said on the raffle prize there'll be a draw to determine who gets the prizes each half term. So we are going to select 1 student to win £10 voucher and 5 students to win £5 vouchers, and we do this via a number generator. So we have number 1 to 19, and the first winner is number 13.
Number 13, so the £10 voucher goes to Natasha Littler. Congratulations.
Well done, Natasha. And we now have 5 winners of the £5 vouchers, and the first winner, number 18.
And number 18 is Ellie Jones. Congratulations, Ellie.
We then have number 15.
Number 15, Bailey McDermott. Well done.
We now have number 10.
Jess Dory. Congratulations.
Number 7.
Jack Blair. Fantastic. Well done.
And our last winner of the £5 voucher goes to number 14.
Sophie Moa.
Fantastic.
Congratulations, well done.
Brilliant. So the challenge is set now. The system remains. Achieve 50 1s in half term 2. Everyone gets a fresh start, and let's see what can happen during this half term. Good luck.
Well done, Year 11. Congratulations.